obsessed with these snap peas. I'm obsessed.
Yours? Mine is an hour and 3 minutes. Yours is 5 hours and 13 minutes, and an hour and 8 of it is on Enrique's Army Day.
Oh my god. So it's not me?
Well no, because you still have
okay, so
4 hours
she's checking how long we're on our phones.
So
okay,
for Enrique it's like an hour and 8 minutes. Yours is 4 hours and 5 minutes.
4 hours and 5 minutes a day. I do want to let you guys know though that I work on my phone. Like I respond to comments, I upload,
Instagram you're on 50 minutes, photos
50 minutes 19, a day on Instagram?
Phone 19, YouTube 17, Twitter 16. YouTube
Studio
14.
Look, I weigh 125.
So it's mostly Enrique. Wow. I'm gonna do an experiment and try to all of us be without our phone and see what that's like on Saturday. We should do that. Okay, let me weigh myself, Alyssa. Alright guys, so I have an update on, I see that honey. I have an update on my keto diet, what's going on. I'm gonna weigh myself right now. Here, let me see Alyssa.
Yes, I did. I put my feet
Let me see, let me weigh myself.
I'm
Here. I feel like crap today, by the way, you guys.
Great job.
Okay, exit. Did you log in?
No.
No, she put all test. I don't know when she did that. Lisa, move.
Yeah, back up. Alright guys, so I'm going to check my weight right now on a different scale, see what's going on. I've been strictly like on my diet for what? It's been about 2.5 weeks on this keto.
Lisa, stop. I don't want to stand right there.
I am feeling like crap today, you guys. I'll get into it right now. I'll just see what's going on.
Hurry, 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 hurry.
You don't have to look right here, okay?
No, I just told her to stand right there.
Oh, okay.
Mom, look at me.
Ew.
Okay.
Be quiet.
Okay, next.
I don't care if I'm ugly. I already know that.
You're not ugly.
Stop. Can you do your thing, please?
Who told you you're ugly?
I called it ugly face. I'm just playing.
Mom, hurry up. I don't want to see you all day.
I had to restart it because I don't know what I put in.
What the heck is your lip color?
Is it too dark?
It's like burgundy.
It's like
Well,
purple.
it's fall. It's fall color.
Orange. Ow, my arm's getting tired. My circulation is gone. Pacifier. Well, it's not my fault. You and Alyssa use this machine all the time and you still don't know how to use it.
I don't use it all the time.
You use it a lot though.
When's the last time I went here?
When's the last time I came here?
A long time ago.
Exactly.
Here are your results.
Okay, so I weighed 161. The last time I weighed myself, I was at, 261.
Oh,
the last time I weighed
261,
myself,
wow.
the last time I weighed myself, I was at 258, I think, or 257. Okay, so we are at 258. Yeah, I noticed that there's been a slowdown in the weight loss, which is normal, and I can't let that like discourage me, you know, because I'm like at a plateau. It's like, you know, YouTube. Sometimes you're growing and then you stop, and that's, you know, that's good, perfect training for this diet, because you can't let it discourage you. You just gotta keep doing what you're doing, and the rest is history. So I gained 3 pounds.
When did you weigh yourself?
Last week. Yeah. I mean, I lost 20 pounds really fast, and now I gained 3 pounds. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm not gonna let this discourage me. My God, the zucchini's on sale here. I was gonna make zucchini. I mean, I could just like cut that off.
I need your hotspot. What if you let me see what dress you need?
That's cucumber. I'm gonna make zucchini right now when I go home. Oh, I should make a zucchini lasagna.
Oh my gosh. I swear, every time my mom comes here, guys, she buys everything right here.
I buy all the vegetables. I'm gonna make it today. I'm starving. I have to eat. Like, I'm literally starving, you guys. Like, I'm so hungry.
I know what you should do since you're starving. Eat something.
I know, but like, I just want something like bready and heavy, and I don't know. Anyways, all right, so let's go, and then I'll catch up with you guys in the car. All right, guys, so we're in the car now. I am obsessed with snap peas, as I was telling you guys in the store. I just feel like I need them in my house. Like every day I'm like, okay, I need snap peas in my house. They're just so good. I love raw vegetables, which is good. Perfect for this diet. And I don't know, like so far the diet, today's just a bad day. I just feel really crappy. I feel dizzy, like my eyes are hurting me. I don't know why.
Oh, it's because there's something up with the sun. I mean with the planets.
Oh really?
Yeah, my ballet teacher was telling us that it like affects like people.
Is that why my eyes are hurting me?
It's like people's ears, their eyes, their stomachs hurting them.
Yeah, my eyes are like feeling like I'm seeing blurry. Like I'll see normal and then I'll start seeing blurry, and I thought it was because of diet. I'm like, oh my god, I'm evaporating. But really though, guys, like as far as cheating, like I'm not a cheater. Like when I'm ready for something, I'm ready for it. So I haven't cheated. Well, I had a cheat day on Sunday and I had sopita, and Rick was like, do you really want to eat sopita for your cheat day? I'm like, honey, I haven't had carbs in 2 weeks. This looks bomb to me. So that's what I had, and I don't know, like after I ate the sopita, I felt really like nasty. Like it was just, it's so nice to feel good after you eat. That's what I love about this diet. However, I just feel like shit today. And I gained 3 pounds, which could be all water weight, you know, that's normal. Like you go in between 5 pounds, water, but right? Yeah, and I've been drinking a shitload of water today trying to flush out my system. So like every time I'm hungry, all I do is I pound of water, and that seems to work for me, you know. Obviously I eat, but I am planning on doing a what I eat in a day with this keto diet.
Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave.
To me, the keto diet is actually a lot like the Atkins diet, except I don't eat meat, which is really hard, you guys. Like, man, like I'm not craving meat or anything, but if I was eating meat, I would have more options. So like, for example, today I'm gonna make a lasagna.
Today she's gonna eat a cabbage.
Today I'm gonna eat a cabbage. I've been eating a lot of cabbage. If you guys follow me on Instagram, go, I can't even talk. Follow me on Instagram. My name is right here. Yeah, follow me, you guys, because I share a lot of my cooking videos on Instagram. That's where I share it, like on my Insta story and stuff. So, yeah.
How dare you?
But anyways, I'm feeling a lot better though when it comes to like my body. Like, so okay, like when I lay on my side, like my hips, so I used to have a roll like in the middle of my hip because my hips are so big, so this would like sink in right here, and I am starting to feel like it's not there anymore as far as like my lonja. Like I don't know, it's just, it feels a lot better. It feels a lot smaller. I did notice like my shoulders, oh sorry you guys, I know that's so ghetto, that's why I'm wearing this shawl. But okay, so look at my shoulders. They feel like they're smaller. As far as my face, I still have a huge double chin, which I can't wait till that's gone. That's my biggest motivation. But yeah, everything else.
I still have a huge.
Everything else. What?
As far as my face, I still have a huge double chin.
I do still have a huge double chin. Like that's the main thing that I want gone. But I don't know. Like I don't know, guys. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. And this is one of the hiccups. Like normally when I get on a diet and I feel like shit like I do right now, I eat something really unhealthy and I feel better, and then I just kind of, you know, fall back into place of eating unhealthy, and I can't do that. Like I can't do that this time. I need to fight this. I need to get through this. It's just like when I stopped eating meat on January 1st of this year. I can't believe it's gonna be a whole year. I literally felt like crap after the first week, but then I remembered why I was doing, and I stood strong, and now I'm used to it. So I know I can get used to having a healthier lifestyle, because that's what this is for me. It's a healthier lifestyle, making better choices. It's like a training, and yeah, hopefully I come out of the other side. So anyways, I'm gibbering. Let me know, you guys, if you guys want to see a video of what I eat in a day. I got a few comments. I can do it on Instagram, but if you guys want to see it on my main channel, like please let me know in the comments. We have a lot of Halloween coming up this month, you guys, so yeah, if you guys have any ideas that you guys want to see us do as a family, a Halloween family, please let me know in the comments. Yeah, give us your ideas of what you guys want to see. All right, guys, I'm gonna end this video. I will see you guys in my next video, and remember to eat your veggies. Juices, Dailies.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it.
You'll look back on your vlog and be like, why did I get mad? Wow.
No, I don't never say why I get mad. I remember exactly why you annoy me, and then I'm like,
I pull it with a lemon. she ain't living. It's just your eyes get acidic.